Everybody say hi!
Wildman Adventures, right?
Good to see y'all.
What's up? So today I'm over at Wolf Rock again. It's not so busy today. Wildman Adventure just showed up here. Let's see what we can find.
In the world? Yeah. Yuck. Huh.
Just made it over to the rock.
There she is. All the stuff, most stuff to find is right over there.
All geared up, ready to go. Let's get it. Just got to broken glass right by my feet here. People get out, they jump off the rock, they come over here, and hop back up here, they walk right here. Imagine stepping on this, gashing your foot open way out in the water here. And you gotta walk all the way back, get to a hospital. Please don't litter. Please don't be stupid, this is dangerous.
Where's the cat? There it is.
It's always exciting finding Apple Watches. Two more. Found two of them last time I was here too.
Gotta make more room for more trash. So not to come up as much.
Broken glass, sunglasses. There we go. Wow! Now that was a handful. Apple Watch number 3. And $1. Alright, we got 3 Apple Watches. Can we get it a 4th one? I think so. That was a pretty cool grab. Oh, got a Fitbit and 3 Apple Watches. Oh yeah. Another one. Oh. Finding a lot of stuff. Pretty fun. We'll jump off there into the water. They lose their watches. And they throw their trash off too. More money. More money. Just cleaned up the water pretty well. Got a lot of trash, some electronics out of there. Gonna take my bag, come up on the rock here. Let's go find some trash. Alright. That's some trash over here. Someone's being trashy. I don't know what's in here. Oh, food. I don't know what this thing is. Actually, I know what this is. Yuck. It's clean though. Some more trash here. Someone just crushed them and throw them in here. Well, how's the trip so far? I think I found like 4 Apple Watches, a Fitbit, another watch, and a bunch of other stuff. All right, these are all thorny bushes. I'm not getting in there. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I've been out there before. It's been really, really trashy. Only got this much so far, which is okay. Nice day today, kind of windy. That's all the trash right there. Making a difference. Hey, you guys all done or what? Had enough. Oh, watch out for that big snapper I just saw. The big guy. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I'm gonna take one more pass and get out of here. See you around. Yeah, check out my video. It might be a couple weeks before I get the YouTube video done, but. All right. That's all she wrote for today. Got a lot of stuff. Pretty good haul. Just finished my dive here at Wolf Rock over by Twin Bridge, Wisconsin. Let's see what I found here. Got some random clothing articles. Over here, some shoes, gloves, shirt, bikini bottom. Look at this mask here. Another diver was diving, lost nice mask there. All these sunglasses here. This little chuck it thing, Wisconsin Badger hat, Superman shirt. So a bunch of trash over here, plastic. Look at that, $3.01. Little cigarette container holder. Little band that says football on it. Little rubber wedding ring. Little turtle, bracelet, some vapes. We got a Coca-Cola bottle here. It says Rhinelander, Wisconsin on the bottom there. Just a bunch more plastic, a bunch of cans. This whole thing is just full of aluminum tin cans. More there. Got 2 full Mountain Dews right here. A nice Yeti cup, solid Yeti cup. That ain't cheap. Some balls, some more goggles, a lot of hair ties. These are mostly hair ties here. Some more trash right here. And the coolest thing I found today, check it out. Boom! 1, 2, 3, 4 Apple Watches, a Fitbit, and then this watch, which is still working. Oh, that's pretty cool. Water's awesome, clarity was awesome. Can't wait to get back in there someday. Cleaned her up.